Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into the world of asynchronous iterator in JavaScript. Asynchronous iterators are a powerful feature that allow us to handle asynchronous data stream cleanly and efficiently. So let's get started. Before we jump into the code, let's understand what async iterators are. In JavaScript, iterators are objects that allow us to loop over collections. Async iterators take this concept a step further by allowing us to handle asynchronous operations, like fetching data from APIs or reading from streams. Creating an async iterable is simple. We use the symbol.async iterator to define the async iterator method inside an object. This method will return an object with the next method that resolves a promise containing the next value in the asynchronous sequence. To consume the values of an async iterable, we use the for-await of loop. This loop works just like the regular for-of loop, but it's designed specially for asynchronous iterables. Let's take a look at an example. Imagine you have a list of IDs and you want to read the user data only if needed. Using async iterator, you can create a function that handles the API and return the result of every request on every iteration, making the code more transparent. Error handling is crucial when dealing with asynchronous operation. Async iterator allows us to handle errors using try-catch block around the for-await of loop. Async iterator runs code only if needed, so until you don't call the next method, nothing happens, like for iterators. The return method exists also for async iterators. This method is used in case the code doesn't complete all the iteration. Imagine the loop call break or return. In this case, JavaScript under the hood calls the return method for us. In this method, we can handle whatever we need. We may need to reset something or check the current value of the iterator. Async iterators are powerful like iterators. And we can create a function that accepts an async iterator and manipulate it to return another async iterator. For instance, we can create a map function that accepts an async iterator and return another with the callback specified by the user. This function has all the benefits said before. JavaScript does nothing until the codebase doesn't ask for the next function. The same is for the return method, and now you can compose the getUser with the map to build a new async iterator. And there you have it, a deep dive into the world of asynchronous iterator in JavaScript. They provide an elegant solution to work with asynchronous data stream, making your code more organized and efficient. Experiment with async iterator in your project, and you'll be amazed at how they simplify complex asynchronous workflow. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth coding content. Thank you for watching and happy coding!